Into Math for 3rd grade, Lesson 4.6, Multiplying with 9. I can apply the distributive property with multiplication and addition or subtraction. I can use patterns and strategies to multiply with 9. Please gather your workbook and a pencil and turn to page 104. You can pause as needed. We will begin under Build Understanding, Part 1. Each 8-ounce container of yogurt has 9 grams of protein. A gram is a metric unit used to measure mass. Tanika is finding the total grams of protein for different numbers of containers. Tanika knows the products when multiplying with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. How can Tanika find the products 8 times 9, 9 times 9, and 10 times 9? You can look for patterns in a table. Part A, complete the products. So we can start with the first factors, 1 9 times. So that would give us the product of 9. Now, if you would like to pause this video and complete the table yourself, you feel free to do that or follow along with me. The next one is 2 times 9. So 2 9s makes the product 18. The next factors are 3 times 9, and that would be 3 9s. So if I didn't know what to do, I could always take the last product that I had here and add 9 to it. There's a couple different strategies, but I know that 3 times 9 is 27. Our next factors, 4 times 9. Again, I could add 27 plus 9 to find this answer if I didn't know it, but I do know that 4 times 9 makes 36, and the next factor, 5 times 9, makes 45, and 6 times 9 makes 54, and 7 times 9 makes 63. And then remember, this is where Tanika stopped because she didn't know the products of 8 times 9, 9 times 9, and 10 times 9. So just looking over what we have here, and again, the strategy that we were using of adding 9 to each number, you could also pause this video and complete by starting from the 7 times 9 and adding 63 plus 9, and then whatever you get for that product, that would go here, and you could take that number and add 9 to that number, and just keep adding 9 to complete the table. When you come back, you would find that 8 times 9 makes 72, and 9 times 9 makes 81, and 10 times 9 makes 90. Looking at Part B, describe the method that you use to find the products 8 times 9, 9 times 9, and 10 times 9. Remember, these were the ones that she did not know. I'm going to write that I added 9 to the previous product. Now let's take a look at Part C. What did you notice about the tens digit in the product? All right, well, let's take a look at the tens digit. Here, we don't have a tens digit. It would be 0. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Are you noticing any pattern? Let's take a look at the factor. When this is 1 times 9, we have a 0. Then when there's a factor 2 times 9, we had a 1. Then for 3 times 9, we had a 2 in the tens column. For 4 times 9, we had a 3 in the tens column. So you might be noticing that the tens digit is 1 less than the factor that's multiplied. So in this case, if 5 is my factor, then what is my product, the tens digit? It's 4. 5 minus 1. For the next one, 6, the tens digit in the product was 5, which is 1 less than 6. So I am going to explain my thinking to write that the tens digit is 1 less than the factor that is multiplied with 9. And this feels almost like a secret or a special trick with 9s, because we can continue on to make sure that this is correct. When we say 7, take away 1 makes 6, and 8, take away 1 makes 7. 9, take away 1 makes 8, and 10, take away 1 makes 9. So that is a neat pattern that we discovered. Part D, what do you notice about the sum of the digits in the product? I'm going to go ahead and erase some of my work on the columns to make room so that we can take a look at Part D. Part D is asking for me to take a look at the sum of the digits in the product. So when I take a look at the sum of the digits, I notice, pretend like there's a 0 here because there's nothing in front of it. 0 plus 9 equals 9. Okay, let's take a look at the sum of the digits for the product of 2 times 9. We have 1 plus 8, and 1 plus 8 makes 9. All right, let's take a look at the next product, 27. 2 plus 7 equals 9. Are you starting to see a pattern? Let's take a look at the next one. 3 plus 6 equals 9. What are you noticing? If you'd like, you can start to write in your ideas under Part D. I'm going to continue to do a few more. We have 45, so we have 4 plus 5, and that equals 9. So I am noticing that the sum of the digits in the product is equaling 9. So I am going to explain my thinking in Part D. And I have written the sum of the digits in the product is always 9. If you would like to complete the rest of the sums of the digits, you may do that as well by pausing the video. I'm going to complete that now. I have completed the sum of the digits in the product. As we said, the product is always 9. If you would like to go back and rewatch this video at any time, you can pause along the way as needed.